Hello everyone, welcome to Neha's Art Club. Today, we'll learn easy way to draw beautiful anime eyes. First of all, open a canvas on ibispaintx. Color it gray. You can choose any dark color. Go to the different layer and then draw the eye with the deep pen brush. You can use any kind of reference for drawing the eye, it'll be useful. After finishing the line art of eye, just go to the different layer and color the white part of eye, like the way shown on the video. After that, paint the caruncle with peach color. For coloring the eyeball, use magic wand. It'll be easier to color it with the help of magic wand. I'm drawing Shinobu's eyes from the Demon Slayer, so I'm using violet shades. For adding violet shades I used airbrush. Then, here, for adding some details, I'm adding white dots. It'll give the eyes some beautiful highlights. And I am adding some details on the eyelashes too. Now, hear the final result. Hope you like this video and find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching till the end.